Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix this phone not receiving calls. First of all, you need to check whether the aeroplane mode is on your device. If you go to the quick settings, you can see the aeroplane mode. If this is enabled, simply turn off the aeroplane mode. And you need to check the signal strength. Okay, and better to restart your phone. And you need to check whether the number is in blocked numbers. For this, go to phone application, go to the settings, and here you can see the option blocked numbers. Tap on this one. First of all, you need to check that particular number is in this blocked list. If calls are not coming through, these troubleshooting steps often restore normal services. Simply in this way, we can fix the phone not receiving calls. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.